Alright, real talk. You've probably seen girls on social media with their shiny, clear, smooth skin, like glass. And you have thought, is that even possible for guys? The answer is yes, it is. Even though girls tend to use more products on their skin, naturally, on average, the guys usually have a better natural skin than girls. You just need a few touch here and there. And no, you don't need to slap some random cream on your face. So today, in this video, I'm breaking down how you as a guy can get clear, smooth, glass-like skin step by step without overcomplicating it. Stay till the end because I will give you a bonus tip for getting rid of those flaky skin cells, and that will make all the difference, trust me. Step 1. Fix your face wash routine. First off, stop using soap bars or harsh cleanser that make your skin feel tight and dry. Because a lot of guys that I knew, they use rough soap bars. You need a gentle, soap-free or foam-free face wash, especially if your skin is sensitive. And a lot of guys do tend to have drier skin. I would say you don't need both morning and night routine, but you definitely need one of them. Look for something with salicylic acid if you deal with acne, or just hydrating ingredients if your skin is dry. And after washing, pat your face dry. Don't rub it like you are scrubbing dishes. You are not. It's your face, and please try to be sensitive. Step 2. Hydration is key. If you want a glass skin, then moisturizing yourself internally and externally is key. Use a lightweight, non-greasy moisturizer. If you think moisturizing makes you oily, you are probably using the wrong one, because there is a moisturizer for all type, and moisturizer is literally the most for your skincare. Also, drink water. Sounds basic, but dehydration shows up on your skin. First you get the flakiness, then dullness and the texture. For moisturizer, I would say go for moisturizer with hyaluronic acid or glycerin, because they pull water into your skin and give you that long-lasting glow. Step 3. Exfoliate. So third, we have exfoliation. Exfoliating pretty much means removing dead skin, and you need to remove those dead skin if you want that smooth, light, reflecting skin. I would recommend using a chemical exfoliate like AHA or BHA, way better than scrubs because they are a lot more gentler and actually works deeper. But about exfoliate, I would say only do it once or twice a week. And if you want to give it a try, then start slow and see how your skin actually reacts. Step 4. Sunscreen. If you are skipping sunscreen, everything else you do is a waste of time. Sunscreen is non-negotiable. UV rays from sun causes wrinkles, dark spot and rough texture. Basically the opposite of the skin you want. Pick a lightweight, non-greasy sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. And yes, even if you are indoors, those rays come through those windows too. So please apply it almost daily. Some sunscreens are matte finish, so you won't look too shiny, because some sunscreen can be a bit too oily. So for this, I would say look for a gel-based or water-based SPF if you hate that sticky feeling. Step 5. Diet and sleep. So this right here is a hidden game changer, because it's not just about what you do outside, but it is also about what you do inside your actual body, because the internal things is what actually clears your skin from within. Cut down sugar, processed junk and dairy if you notice breakouts. Try eating more fruits, veggies, healthy fats, stuff like salmon, avocado, nuts for a healthy skin. And sleep. If you are sleeping like 4 hours a night, no skincare will save you. Skin repairs itself when you are asleep, just like any other part of your body. So you should definitely be sleeping about 7 to 8 hours a night minimum. And now for the bonus step. Fixing oily and flaky zones, especially around your nose and forehead. I know a lot of guys that get oily but have flaky spots all around them, even with their super oily skins. There is actually dermatitis buildup and not just your regular dryness. When you usually look at the flakes, people mistake it with being just dry, but it is not. For this, you need to improve your scalp. That's the main thing. You need to get a proper anti-dandruff shampoo and make sure your head is free of that fungi. And if your face has too much of flakes, then I would recommend using a tiny amount of that anti-dandruff shampoo on your face as a face mask. Not much, maybe just twice a week. And trust me, this trick changes the game if you have been fighting flakes for years, and this is a problem that I personally used to face as well. But after I actually started using proper anti-dandruff shampoos, I realized that those flakes completely went away as soon as my scalp was fixed. So please try that. If I'm being honest, the only 3 major things you need are a moisturizer, sunscreen, and hydration. That is it, at least for the most basic ones. But obviously, if you want a glass skin, you would need to go a bit more. So if you are a guy who wants to level up your skin game, then follow those steps consistently, and consistency is really the key, as most things, but even more so when it comes to your body. And in a few weeks you will see a massive difference. This is not something that takes time. You will see the results quite quickly. So that is it for today's video. Make sure to drop a comment if you have been struggling with skin issues, and I'll try to personally reply to them. And since you just learned how to create a great skin, go to my channel and check out my videos on how to get a great body as well as a great hair, a proper power combo. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye and take care.